So I think my businesses are unique because they all address a problem. And typically the businesses I start do not have a competitor. Skye Bar, Stanley aside, Skye Bar is just a lovely little bar. My other businesses like Factory Fashion are addressing a need within the community. Specifically at Factory Fashion, we do small batch manufacturing. We work for fashion designers. We sew their clothes so they don't have to. And we basically have no minimums. And we can do product development, so they can come to us with a cocktail sketch and we can take them all the way through the process and nurture them through the process. And that's not something that we have in Denver right now or the Aurora metro community. There's so many women in business now. We've made so much advancement, but we're still fighting the fight. So it is important for us to support each other. P.S. we love hanging out together. We love working together. So the other piece of it is just the joy of working with other women. So I do feel like there's a community of women business owners, especially in the Stanley Marketplace. Like, we are women business owner heavy. There's a ton of us right here. But in general, I've not had an experience where I've reached out to a female business owner and have not been able to get, make a connection, have a good conversation, get the support that I might need. And I do that all the time. Like, I'm a big proponent of diversity of perspective. And so I try and bring as much to the table as possible.